वीडियो विल बी फॉर दोज हु आर नॉट एबल टू सिक्योर 60% और यही चीज हो रही है सबके साथ। परेशान हो जाएंगे सब लोग अभी, और इसका फायदा लोग जो उठाना चाहते हैं वो उठाएंगे, क्योंकि उन्हें तो पैसे चाहिए। इससे या तो तुम्हें एक्सपीरियंस मिल जाएगा, नहीं तो अगर तुमने इंप्रूवमेंट एग्जामिनेशन दी तो तुम फेब बैच के लिए एलिजिबल हो जाओगे।
Watch your six.
Hey everyone, CBSE has already declared their results of 2024. Many candidates have secured good percentage. Those who got more than 60 percentage, 70 percentage, 80 percentage or more, congratulations to them all. But this video will be for those who are not able to secure 60 percentage or. Firstly, one thing that should be kept in mind that you are not eligible for any undergraduate course, that is for DNS, BSc or BTech Marine Engineering, that is to become an officer in Merchant Navy. If anybody claims or says that you have less than 60 percentage, no worries, we will give you placement, don't go in it, because the most important time is this, the most vulnerable time for a candidate is when he is too much tensed. यही चीज हो रही है सबके साथ। परेशान हो जाएंगे सब लोग अभी, और इसका फायदा लोग जो उठाना चाहते हैं वो उठाएंगे, क्योंकि उन्हें तो पैसे चाहिए। So what to do for them? क्या करना चाहिए उन्हें? So there are various types or categories of candidates. But before that, I like to tell you one thing that IMU-CET का फॉर्म्स तो approximately सब लोगों ने फिल कर दिया है। तो इट इज एडवाइजेबल कि IMU-CET का एग्जामिनेशन जो 8 जून को कंडक्ट होने वाला है वो हर एक कैंडिडेट जाके दे, चाहे उसे 60 से ज्यादा आए हैं या उसके 60 से कम आए। इससे या तो तुम्हें एक्सपीरियंस मिल जाएगा, नहीं तो अगर तुमने इंप्रूवमेंट एग्जामिनेशन दी तो तुम फेब बैच के लिए एलिजिबल हो जाओगे। नाउ लेट अस कम टू द कैटेगरी ऑफ कैंडिडेट्स अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर मार्क्स। So first type of candidates are those candidates who got 59.97, 59.6 percentage like this. For them, what they can do is give their paper for rechecking. Now they might be confident कि इस सब्जेक्ट में बहुत ज़्यादा कम मार्क्स आ गया है, अगर हम इसमें दे देंगे तो मेरा मार्क्स थोड़ा इंक्रीज हो जाएगा। तो in that case, if they get 60, they will be eligible for all the companies, all the colleges for August batch as well as the Feb batch if the results are declared before August 2024. Now for those candidates जिन्हें 60 परसेंटेज से बहुत कम मार्क्स, that is 55, 57, 58 परसेंटेज आए हैं, उन्हें पेपर रीचेकिंग में देने के बजाय इंप्रूवमेंट देना प्रेफर करना चाहिए। क्योंकि एक चीज क्लियरली मेंशन होता है सीबीएसई के पोर्टल में कि अगर रीचेकिंग में मार्क्स इंक्रीज हो सकते हैं तो उतना ही पॉसिबिलिटी है कि वो मार्क्स डिक्रीज भी हो सकते हैं। तो it is preferable that those candidates who have 55 or 57, 58 PCM, something like that, they should rather give improvement examination which will be conducted in July 2024, जिसके रिजल्ट्स अगस्त के फर्स्ट या सेकेंड वीक में आएंगे एंड thus will render you ineligible for August batch. तो अगस्त बैच के लिए एलिजिबल नहीं होने के कारण फेब बैच के लिए एलिजिबिलिटी होगी अगर 60% से ज़्यादा आ जाते हैं और IMU-CET रैंक होता है। बट अगर IMU-CET दिया ही नहीं, then you will not be eligible for the Feb batch or Feb 2025 batch. Therefore, please give the IMU-CET as well as give the improvement examination with full dedication. Now there are other category of candidates जिन्होंने एक बार 12th दिया, then they give improvement after 1 year, अब फिर से उनके परसेंटेज 60 से कम आ गए। For those people, don't give the improvement examination once again. Because if you'll give the improvement examination once again, there might be a chance कि नेक्स्ट टाइम भी कम ही आ जाए, और अगर नेक्स्ट टाइम कम नहीं आता है, ज़्यादा ही आ जाता है, तो कंपनीज डबल इम्प्रूवमेंट को प्रेफर नहीं करेंगी। So the best thing for you to do will be BSc in Physics, Chemistry and Maths if you want to do, or rather go for DEC side only, and go for BTech Mechanical Engineering from a random engineering college if you want to go for the engine side. After completing the BSc from Physics, Chemistry and Math, some companies like Great Eastern and Seven Islands and SCI, also Anglo-Eastern, but Anglo-Eastern has a criteria that you should have 65% in PCM in class 12th if you are appearing on the basis of BSc. So Great Eastern, SCI and Seven Islands will be the best shot after completing the BSc. And those who are doing BTech Mechanical Engineering from a random college, they can go for GME after the completion of the BTech Mechanical course and join Merchant Navy as a engineering officer. Okay. Now, one more thing is left, that many candidates will go for NIOS examination, which will be conducted in September. So, one information for you is that in IMU brochure, if you'll go and check it properly, you'll see that वहाँ पे clear mention किया हुआ है कि अगर कोई भी बोर्ड का एग्जामिनेशन IMU CET 2024 के बाद हो रहा है तो उस चीज़ को, उस बोर्ड को रादर कंसिडर नहीं किया जाएगा. तो अगर NIOS सितंबर में देते हो या नेक्स्ट अप्रैल में देते हो तो तुम्हारा एलिजिबिलिटी जो होगा वो नेक्स्ट IMU CET 2025 के बेसिस पे अगस्त 2025 या फेब 2026 के लिए होगा. इसीलिए NIOS को अगर फेब बैच में एडमिशन लेना है तो प्रेफर नहीं करना है, फर्स्ट थिंग. Second thing is that if you opt for NIOS board, companies like Anglo Eastern and various other companies will not prefer you over those who are giving the boards from regular boards like CBSE and ICSE and all the state boards. Therefore, avoid NIOS board as much as you can. So, which people are eligible and where are the NIOS board people eligible? They are eligible only in two companies. Rather eligible और लिए भी जाते हैं. Eligible तो Anglo Eastern में भी है, but Anglo Eastern doesn't take you easily. These are the two places where NIOS board candidates are taken easily. So that's the whole cut for the day today. Now, if you have any doubts, queries, or concern, you can WhatsApp me on the number that might be flashing on the screen or be there in the description box. You may also join the WhatsApp group of ours, which is a public group for discussion related to Merchant Navy, the sponsorship examinations and interviews, as well as any updates necessary. Moreover, we have a few batches that are currently going on and a few batches which will come. So for those जो prepare कर रहे हैं Feb 2025 के लिए, they can join our Achievers 4.0 batch, which is completely for sponsorship examination. Those who are appearing for 2025 IMU CET and sponsorship, they can also join the batch named Vision 5.0 batch, which is completely for sponsorships as well as the IMU CET. For details about the batches as well as the admission, you can contact on the very same procedure. Number flashing on the screen or in the description box. So that was for the day. Take care. Have a good day and bye-bye.